just click on my yarn lady or click the subscribe button. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Yarnsensation, and I'm so happy that you're here with me today. So what I have to share is a cute little doll dress. Really simple, single crochets, half double crochets, a few triple double crochets, some chain stitches, stitch it up in the back, and you have a simple little doll dress. Great to wear beneath other dresses, maybe see-through dresses. It can be paired with a cute sweater, some nice little boots. It's just a lovely little dress that you could crochet in maybe less than a couple of hours. So it's a great weekend project. So all you need is your crochet hook, 5mm, your favorite color yarn. I'd use 4-ply yarn, your yarn needle, and a couple of stitch markers, and let's get started. You will start with a chain of 43. Once you have your chain of 43, you will place one single crochet in the second chain from the hook and one single crochet in each chain across. Once you complete row 1, you will have a total of 42 single crochets. You will chain 1, turn your work. For row 2, you will place one single crochet in the first stitch, one single crochet in the next stitch, and you want to place one single crochet in each stitch across. I am completing my last single crochet for row 2. Next, you will chain 1, turn your work, and the next row will be row 3. For rows 3 through 22, you will repeat row 2. Need help counting rows? Pull your stitches apart, and that little hole you see in between, start counting there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Okay, so now we are looking at the right side, and I have placed a stitch marker on the right side of my fabric, and if you turn your work over, you will see the wrong side. So next, for our next row, row 23, you want to count from the edge. You will count over 8 stitches. Place a stitch marker in that stitch. Next, you want to count over to stitch number 15. Place a stitch marker in that stitch. Repeat the same for the other side. Okay, so for row 23, you want to chain 1, turn your work. You will place one single crochet in each stitch to your first stitch marker. Complete your single crochet into the same stitch with your stitch marker. You can remove that stitch marker. Next, you will skip the stitches in between, and you want to chain 12. Next, you will place one single crochet in the same stitch as your stitch marker, and you created your armhole. Next, you will place one single crochet in each stitch to your next stitch marker. Once you get to your stitch marker, complete that one single crochet. Chain 12. Skip the stitches between. And place one single crochet in each stitch to the end. Chain 1 and turn your work. Row 24, you want to place one single crochet in the first 8 stitches. Complete 12 single crochets around your chain. Next, you will place one triple double crochet into the stitch. And you want to place one triple double crochet in the next 5 stitches. Next, you will place 2 half double crochets into the next stitch. And continue with placing one triple double crochet in the next 6 stitches. Now you will place 12 single crochets around your next chain. And place one single crochet in each stitch to the end of the row. Chain 1, next single crochet along the side, half double crochet along the bottom, single crochet along the next side. One single crochet in the first stitch on the side, and you just want to continue placing one single crochet in each stitch along the side. I am completing my last single crochet along the side, and next I just want to turn my work and place one half double crochet in the next stitch along the bottom. Okay, I'm completing my last half double crochet along the bottom. Turn your work to the side and you want to complete one single crochet in each one of those stitches, and I am carrying my yarn tail. Completing my last single crochet of the row. If you carried your yarn tail, you can clip it now. To complete your row, you want to slip stitch into the next single crochet and you will be fastening off your work. Next, we will be closing our sides together, so you want to have your wrong side facing you. Using your yarn needle, thread your yarn tail, and you just want to weave the sides closed. Okay, so we are complete. Just turn it to the right side and you can remove the stitch marker. Really simple dress. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe